Good morning, dear friends. Today I will discuss the illustrations of regression analysis. That means how we have to find the means if two equations are given and how we have to calculate the coefficient of correlation between x and y. So, illustration is given the two lines of regression as 2x plus 3y equal to 42 and x plus 2y is equal to 26. Find means of x and y. Actually, we have to calculate the means as well as the coefficient of correlation between x and y. So, how we will calculate? Here given 2x plus 3y is equal to 42. So, I have just in the left hand side, I have kept a 2x is equal to minus 3y plus 42. Then x is equal to 2 के साथ मैंने दोनों तरफ left right divide कर दिया. Then I got minus 3 by 2 y plus 21. So regression coefficient जो आएगा that will be it is x in form of y. So regression coefficient क्या आएगा bxy क्योंकि left hand side पे x है. So it will be bxy is equal to minus 3 by 2. And second line is given x plus 2y is equal to 26. So I have kept here left hand side 2y. 2y को मैंने इस तरफ रख लिया, x को दूसरी तरफ रिप्लेस कर दिया. तो y मैंने निकाल लिया, both sides I have divided with the 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2, x plus 13. तो इसका मीनिंग है इस तरफ y आ गया, y in the form of x. So regression coefficient आ गया by x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Before doing all the calculation, that means हमने सबसे पहले ये चेक करना होता है कि bxy और byx जो है these are the right values or not. That means इनके प्रोडक्ट चेक करते हैं. प्रोडक्ट अगर तो लेस देन 1 आ जाती that means we are getting right value. Otherwise again फिर हम लोग इक्वेशन में चेंजेस करते हैं. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में x in form of y निकाला, then we will do y in form of x. So firstly, I will check here byx dot bxy is equal to byx हमारे पास आई वैल्यू minus 3 by 2 and bxy I have calculated minus 1 by 2. Multiply करा 3 by 4, this is less than 1. That means these are the right regression coefficients. So since condition of regression coefficients are satisfied, I can find out coefficient of correlation. Its formula is plus minus byx dot bxy root. I will take here negative sign because both the values, both the regression coefficients are negative. Since r is negative because byx and bxy both are negative. So I am taking here negative sign. byx की मैंने वैल्यू लगा दी minus 1 by 2 and bxy की मैंने लगा दी minus 3 by 2. Minus minus cancel. Outside the root there is a negative sign. So इसको calculation करी, calculation करके इसको simplification करी, इसका root लिया, I got 0.866. So this is the coefficient of correlation because coefficient of correlation में सबसे पहले हमने निकालना था coefficient of correlation, then I will find out the means. So how I will calculate the means? Simply we have to solve the two lines. That means where both the lines intersect, the point of intersection is actually known as the means in the case of regression lines. So हमारे पास दो lines थी. This is the 2x plus 3y minus 42 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 26 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations. I can solve it by elimination method, by substitution method, and by cross multiplication method. That means there are a number of methods. So I have just solved it by the cross multiplication method. तो मैंने वो method लगाया simple. तो x y की value निकाल ली. X की value 6 आ जाती, y is 10. So this the point of intersection is actually known as the means. So mean is 6 and mean of x is 6 and mean of y is also 10. This is the question. That means in this question we want to find the means of x and y and the coefficient of correlation between x and y. So this is the illustration. Now I will discuss the second illustration. The question is given y is equal to 3x and 4y is equal to 3x. The variance of y is equal to 9. Calculate r and standard deviation of x. Simple given y is equal to 3x. So I have just converted x in the form of y. x को ऐसे रख लिया, 3 के साथ डिवाइड करा तो I got x is equal to 1/3y. So x in the form of y आ गई तो रिग्रेशन कोफिशिएंट क्या आएगा? bxy is equal to 1/3. Now second equation थी 4y. 4y is equal to 3x. तो y ले आए हम लोग, y in the form of x ले, तो y की वैल्यू आ गई 3/4x. So byx 3/4 आ गया. Firstly again we will check it out. Product of both should be less than 1. bxy dot byx solve करा, it is 1/4, so it is less than. So both the condition of regression coefficients are satisfied. Our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is right because we are getting according to the condition regarding the selection of regression equation is correct. तो देन आर कैसे फाइंड आउट करनी? प्लस माइनस बी एक्स वाई बी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करा बिकॉज बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, सो वी आर टेकिंग ओनली पॉजिटिव साइन. आर इज इक्वल टू 0.5. नाउ आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ एक्स सीरीज. सो बी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला ऑफ बी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू आर इंटू स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ वाई ओवर स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ एक्स. बी वाई एक्स ऑलरेडी है हमारे पास 3/4. आर हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया 1/2. And standard, it's a given. Variance is 9. So if variance is given, variance of y is given 9. So standard deviation will be the root of the variance. हमने इसका रूट ले लेना तो वो आ गया 3. इसका मतलब स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ y सीरीज 3. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ x सीरीज हमें नहीं पता तो इसकी सिंप्लीफिकेशन करी. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन आई एम गेटिंग standard deviation of x is 2. So this is the way how we have calculated. That means this is the formula. This can be calculated only if firstly we have to calculate the coefficient of correlation. Then we have all values, then we can easily find out the standard deviation of x series. So this is illustration. Thanks so much dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with other also.